Hello computer students, it's Hortensia Norton. I am making a video for you because I made a mistake in our last class on how to submit your Google Forms or the quizzes that you made about netiquette and online safety. So I'm going to show you how to do that properly. This is the screen that you see right now is our Moodle screen, and it's week 7 and 8 web-based applications. I'm going, if you see the mouse, hopefully you see the mouse, it's in-class activity, Google Forms, netiquette, online safety. So when you click in that, on the bottom of your Moodle screen, there is something that says submit. Like mine, I'm grading them. So yours won't look like this, but yours has the submission box. So this is where it's going to go, and it's in-class activity, Google Forms, and netiquette, online safety. I'll go back here. For my night class, you're doing it in groups. For the day class, you're doing it individually. So for the night class, only one of you needs to put it in properly. For the day class, all of you need to submit. And as you can see, you've all submitted here, or 31 to 32 students have submitted, except I can't see them because we forgot to make them public. So if we go to Google Forms, I'm going to open up my Google form here. And this is just an untitled form when I started making. If we go to the send button here, we click on the send button, and you need to go down here to add collaborators. Sorry, I'm having trouble saying that. So if we click on that, it says private, only you can access. You need to hit change and anyone with the link, and then hit save. Okay, that's step 1. Anyone who has the link, make sure you have that. Then you hit done. If I'm going too fast, hit pause on the video and catch up. Then the second thing you do is go back to send, and you're going to click, this is an email. This is the email tab. This is the link tab. Okay, this is where you create a link. For your information, this is the embed HTML. This is a fancier thing if you have a website or something, but you are just sharing with me this link. So you can even hit the shorten the URL, so it makes it nice and short, hit the word copy, then go back to this tab, which is where your assignment is. Then you're going to click, let's see if I can, I'm going to switch my role so you can, to the student role. Okay, so if I'm in the student role, it says add submission. Okay, so you're going to add the submission, you're going to go in here and you're going to click in that, you're going to copy, you're going to paste in that, that link, you're going to hit save changes. Okay, and then it says submitted for grading. That's what it'll look like. Now, for those of you who've already, well, most of you have already submitted something, you're going to edit submission and then put in the new link. Actually, you're going to put in the new link and then hit hit save. Now, in actual fact, what you have already given me, you've already given me a link, and that link should still work. All you should have to do, some of you could test this, is hit send, then do add collaborators. Just make sure, like I said here, that this is anyone with a link, and then the links should work. So you could try that. You don't have to resend the link, I just realized. You can just change the settings so that it is, that the collaborator is anyone with a link. So if you just set it to that, I should be able to see your stuff. So if you can do that before Thursday night and Friday, actually, if you can do that, I'm going to be trying to mark them on Wednesday. If you can do that either tonight or Tuesday, that would be great. And then I will just go on and look to see. And if you have any problems, we'll just discuss it at our computer classes. So anyway, hopefully this video made sense. This is your first attempt at teaching online. And anyway, again, thanks so much. Sorry for the confusion. Talk to you later.